we're back again with more birthday gifts. So today our focus is going to be 80th birthday gifts.
Yes, yeah. It is. Yep. Any gifts for a man or a woman that is either turning 80 or is having a birthday in their 80s.
80s. Yeah. So Neil, what have you got? You've got the Wild Things birthday gift. So
I got Wild Thing.
So the fun element coming in from our little cuddly toys, and I'm doing Leo's companion birthday gift.
It's your personality. Remember, when you're buying a gift, you're putting your personality into it. So we're showing you how to pack them, showing you how to make them. But you can bring any personality to your birthday gift. If you were going around the shops and putting these things together or whatever, we would advocate that you choose one thing out of it, which sort of captures or encapsulates your personality and the personality of the person receiving it, to bring that element of laughs and smiles to the exchange.
I'm gonna have a look here at what I've got. So my kind of color theme going through and the products. So I've kind of got reds there, and I've also got a lot of purpley pinks and a few bluish kind of things. So for this birthday one, we have our birthday cake, which again, we can make that for any birthday, whether it's 80, 81, 89. We just change the sticker and it's good to go for whoever or whenever you would like to send this gift. We've got the little toy and then our happy birthday bar, which will all kind of go at the front. So as soon as they open it, you know, they know it's, yep, my birthday present has arrived. It looks thoughtful. There's purpose behind what has been, you know,
yeah, it's not just flowers, and it's not just a hamper, it's a birthday gift basket.
So I'm gonna look at what can I put in the base to kind of fill it up and create that depth to it. So I've got fruit crisps, 1 of your 5 a day. Let me see, vegan, kosher.
Yeah, what we try to do is try to get the little snack things have no palm oil, plant-based. So whenever you're going with snacks, rather than just like, you know, the standard sweets and whatever, you know, things have moved on now. You're looking for something a little bit more exciting, a little bit different, try something unusual.
They're not things that if you're doing your shop, you're gonna pick up maybe by yourself. So again, it adds that like celebratory kind of things that you're not normally going to pick for yourself.
If you are doing this, it's difficult to go to a supermarket, Tesco's or Sainsbury's. It is kind of difficult to just go around there because it'll tend to be sort of like retail types of things, whereas these are more sort of specialty things, but you can still find them in various you know, little delicatessens and little curiosity types of stores is usually where you would sort of see our sort of suppliers or whatever.
So what else have we got then? Toasted coconut chips, they're high fiber, organic, gluten-free, nut-free.
Dark chocolate popcorn bites, which are very healthy. Great Taste Award winning, and they are handmade in GB.
Yeah, pop them in. Is there anything else?
Yeah, we've got like a vegan, no artificial nonsense, no palm oil, cream wafer bar. These are really nice, actually. I'm not allowed to eat too many sweet things and whatever, but those are actually very good, and they're not too calorific.
So we'll pop them in the bottom, and then we will stick some of our shred over the top. So what will we do?
You're using a lovely color there, like orange,
bright orange.
Yep.
So again, not any particular gender in mind. It's perfect for whoever.
Very associative with birthday.
Yeah, it's really bright and it has a happy kind of feel to it, doesn't it? Let's see. So what will we do? We'll put some of our kind of products in the back there. Packets here. So we've got 60% cocoa dark chocolate figs. It's nice. We'll line the back. We've got chocolate figs. We've got chocolate marshmallows. What have we got here? Vegan organic dark chocolate raisins. So again, that different textures, the different kind of everything.
People want chocolate. It's their birthday, and they don't necessarily want to consume it all at the same time, but they want chocolate because chocolate is associated with the endorphins, isn't it? Making you feel happy. And these types of products will be put into you might not eat them all on the same day, but you'll have them in storage. And so we find that people really enjoy having, you know, chocolatey products, but not filled with chocolate.
yeah, there's a balance.
Yeah.
You have to kind of line. So let me see what else. Big brand, Lindor. They're some of my favorites. Luscombe Raspberry Crush. So we've gone for a sweet and refreshing sparkling crush. So something different. It's a lot nicer and thoughtful rather than like a mini bottle of Prosecco, which I'm sure it's just different. It's nice. It's thoughtful.
It's non-alcoholic. It's inoffensive. It's charming, and it's organic again. Well, you can see here, this is how I've done you can do, you've got the little tigers, the little animals. So these ones are called Wild About You. They're called Leo's Companion. There's also a meerkat here. So there's a sort of like a catty type of theme going on here because so much of the population loves their cats. You don't have to be either a cat or a dog person. So there's that little playful element of things, a little companion. And we found that quite a lot of people order these if they're maybe away from home. Yeah.
So I've put in there the milk chocolate shards with orange, and I'm gonna go in kind of with my birthday product. So there is our birthday cake, and we'll put in our little friend in there. What else have I got? I've got my happy birthday bar. So I want that. The front as well. And then what have I got left? Dark chocolate, praline spread.
I'm imagining to myself, if I was 80, would I like to get that? So fast forward yourself 50 odd years.
50 odd years, yeah. Yeah.
So would I like to get that in not so many years? But I think yes. I think there's a tendency whenever we're looking at gifts for people of that age or whatever that they don't like anything. You know, we get that sort of from quite a few customers saying, look, you know, just they're very specific about what it is that they like, and they don't want anything unusual. And I would say that with this basket here, or this gift here, you've actually got something which ticks all of those boxes, because there's nothing in there which is offensive to them. There's nothing in there that they're going to dislike.
If you break it down, we've got chocolate orange, chocolate raisins, chocolate figs.
Tea.
It's high end. It's not something that they would maybe buy for themselves, but it's not something that they're going to go, what is this? Where have you plucked this from? It's thoughtful, everything ties together.
And this is why whenever we design 80th birthday gifts, or for people, anybody, any age in the 80s, we're still retaining that same laughs, smiles, fun aspect to it, just as you would with a 30th or a 40th. That's why it can be altered and adjusted to a younger age demographic, because it works on every age and every gender.
Well, I'd be happy with this.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Perfect.